Hi guys, welcome to the Advent and this is Nixa. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Leetcode. It is the 28th problem. Find the index of the first occurrence in a string. The question is nothing but given two strings, needle and a haystack. Return the index of the first occurrence of needles in haystack or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. Let me explain this problem, guys. Initially, we will be given two strings. The first string is named as haystack, the second string is named as needle, and we just want to check whether the needle string is inside the haystack string. And if needle string is inside the haystack string, we just want to return the first occurrence of the needle string. And if we didn't find the needle string inside the haystack string, we just want to return directly -1. This is the concept, guys. Now let me explain the concept using a representation that how we are going to solve this problem, guys. And what I'm going to do is I just took the example 1 on this paint, and what we are going to do is we are just going to traverse from 1 to here. For reducing the time complexity purposes, we are just going to traverse from here to here, and then I'm going to take this character, the first occurrence, the first character of the needle string as D, and then I'm going to check whether from here to here, and then I'm going to check here, and if I find this character in any of these characters, I just going to stop. For example, I'm going to traverse from S, and traverse equal to D, S equal to S. So I just going to stop here, and then I am going to take these three substrings from this string, and then I am going to equate. If this substring is equals to the needle string, we just going to return the 0th value. And if that is not equal to that, I will be moving from here to here, and then I'll be moving from here to here, here to here, here to here. This is the concept we are going to do here, guys. Now let's solve this problem. I'm creating result value equal to -1, and then directly I'm going to return this result here. And then I'm just going to take the character D equal to char at 0 here. Oh. And then I'm going to use a for loop here, int equal to 0, create result. Step.length my and this is for reducing time complexity purpose, and then I'm going to check whether haystack at I equals to D, and then it will be moved to here, and if haystack.substring I comma dot equals needle here. I just going to return this equal to I, and then I'm going to break this loop. Yeah, let's run this program, guys. Okay. Result equal to I Yes guys. Yes guys, and it's successful. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us guys. Thank you guys. Bye bye.